How to add account on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add another account on WhatsApp. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy. After the latest update, you'll be able to use two different accounts on WhatsApp. So if you have an account already in WhatsApp, you can however add another account as well. How you can do so? Well, let me help you. First things first, you want to open up WhatsApp and you should get an interface like this if you're already logged into one of your account. Now here you want to tap on three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and you want to head into settings. Once under settings, what you want to do is you can see the very first option that says account, right? Simply tap on account and here you can see the option that says add account above the delete account option, the second last option. Tap on add account again at the bottom, and now here you can simply agree and continue and enter in your phone number, country code, and go ahead and verify and log into other account. Once you are logged in, if you head back here on your WhatsApp, if you tap on three dots again, I'll just open it up real quick and then tap on three dots again, you'll be able to get this switch account option at the very bottom below the settings as well. So this way you can add account on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.